One of the interesting things that we've found recently with the integration from SharePoint OneDrive is where capability you would expect to be there is just not. I can actually select multiple items, and when I need to update the properties, such as make these all set to the same thing as they're all policies, I can highlight the ones I want, go to the details pane, and I can bulk edit the properties. Or I just want to change the type of information, and we can make them all policies. We can do that direct from in the library with no worries at all. Now let's switch back to OneDrive, and here we can see we landed in another library that is connected directly to my OneDrive. So I have several from the same site that are connected here, and I can jump onto this one and I can go, well, actually what I really want is the area under the operational library for all the policies, and here we can see these are all the same policies that we were looking at in the SharePoint window directly, but now we're looking at them through the view inside of OneDrive. If I select multiple items here, just as I did previously, we can see all the properties, and I've got the options here to open details. But if I go to the details now, I get no properties whatsoever. I've got no ability to change any of those properties on bulk. So let's make this a little bit cleaner. If I just say I want to change one, and from here we would have previously been able to go to the details from this side, or open the details from the button at the top. And if I do that, that gives me a view with the thumbnail, some of the properties and hidden information, but I've got no metadata that I can interact with. So I'm stuck. So if I want to upload information, let's take a different library as an example. So we'll go to the software library, and I grab two documents that I want to drop into here. Let's just highlight that. Then we can see the operated items here says that they were uploaded two items to operational. Now that's strange because what I've done was I'd switched to the software library, but this pointer is still going back to operational. So if I click on the center, and we go operational. Now here we can see the two new items that I've just dragged and dropped have been uploaded to the previous library that I was on, and not into the one that I was viewing. So we have two sets of limitations which are very quickly brought to the front. One, drag and drop for upload of documents if you've navigated away from the original folder no longer work as expected. So where we tried to operate and drop these into software, that didn't work. And secondly, when we went to the individual library and we tried to select multiple items to update the details, we have no metadata properties available.